good evening or afternoon. Well, is it evening or afternoon? It's something like 5:50 p.m. Please raise your hand if it's afternoon. And if it's evening? Fine, so good evening by voting. I'm Maria. I am team leader of the development team of BERT, Internet Routing Daemon. I'd like to say BERT 1.6.8 was released in September 12, 2019. It's been 4 years. There was no development in that time, so since 2019 we added virtually nothing to that branch. And our memory to hold all those information about BERT 1.6.8 is limited. We don't know what's happening there, so we won't support BERT 1 after the end of this year. I announced this in spring in Europe. It was announced in the users list, but if you missed it, now you know. If you are running BERT 1, it will be end of life at the end of this year. You can say you are not using BERT 1. Are you sure? But it's open source. It is open source, it can be integrated to anything. So do you really know that that part of your system is not using BERT 1? There is a underlying layer of Kubernetes called Calico, and this project integrates BERT 1, and they don't respond to our emails. So if you are using Calico, be aware that they are probably not going to switch from BERT 1 in the following 2 months, because it's not such a quick deal. Please upgrade to BERT 2.14. It's been released like a week ago. If you are running Calico, please upgrade to something else. But please don't use BERT 1 anymore. BERT 2 has support for RFC 8950. You can send IPv6 next hop for IPv4 routes. I didn't mess it up, but almost did. There are more. Didn't I just? Yeah, it has support for BMP, for MRT, for MPLS. We are adding EVPN support and much more, which is possible because of the changes in the internal structure, which is also the reason why we are dropping the support for BERT 1. It has different internal structure in many situations. It behaves differently, so we have to go to the code and dig every time somebody sends us a question for BERT 1. BERT 2 has more powerful policies. It means the filter engine is completely different. From the user's point of view, it's the same, but inside there is a completely different engine, which also makes it kind of impossible for us to keep track of both changes in version 1 and version 2. So if you are using version 1, we probably won't give you any hints about the filtering system. We will say, please upgrade to BERT 2. We have automatic ROA reloads, so if you change ROA, the routes will reload automatically in BERT 2, which did not happen in BERT 1. Soon to come is some prefix segregation. If you are running old networking thingies that have only like 1 million routes, 1 million prefixes in the routing table, well, this may help you soon. And if you need some help with upgrading from BERT 1 to BERT 2, just ask me a question, to find me, or write an email to me. I am here until the end of Wednesday almost. Thank you.